natin ngayon ay papunta ng Stratosphere. So gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo guys na pupunta tayo ng Stratosphere at sumama kayo sa amin, okay?
Station to the Link Entertainment District, where you'll find a unique array of shops, restaurants, and bars at the most cost-effective ways. Now arriving at Harris the Link Station.
Oh, is it married?
So guys, nandito na kami, on the way na kami sa Stratosphere. Kasama ko yung aking dalawang partner pa rin. So, sama kayo guys para makita nyo ang Stratosphere, makita nyo yung 118 story, okay? So, isi-share ko to sa inyo at sobrang taas po ng building na yon. Okay, so on the way na po kami at enjoy din kayo. Yan yung aming pupuntahan. Say hi! So, nandito pa po kami sa Sahara Casino. Ayan. Dito ang aming daan. Kita. Yan guys, nandito na kami sa Stratosphere at papasok na po kami sa loob ng casino. So guys, nandito na po kami sa... What's that?
Upstairs to the outside.
Yeah, we're going to. Yeah, we're going to. We're going to look around here first. So ayan, nandito na po kami. At ipakita ko sa inyo ang kagandahan ng Stratosphere at ang kanyang view. Makikita nyo ngayon. So guys, 108 ano pala to, floor. So makikita nyo kung gaano kataas. Okay. So nakita nyo po kung gaano kataas. Yan. At paikot po ito, kaya makikita nyo po ang kabuuan ng Las Vegas. What? Sa gabi. Yeah. Yan, umiikot po kami. Kasi paikot po to. Kung malulain po kayo, hindi kayo bagay rito. Kasi pag tinitingnan nyo yung baba, para ng mga yung mga tao, para ng mga langgam. Ganun.
It's a movie. It's a love story. So I know. Julie Roberts and my neighbor.
I was just contemplating if we're really gonna want that in the heat. It was like 15 minutes. And I was just looking how far down the top of the front. But this one,
Nandiyan tayo na maganda. So yan, nandito na po kami sa pinakatuktok. Ayan. May nag-rides pala. Sila mag-rides. Nag-enjoy sila. So, nandito ako ngayon guys, nag-aantay ng may tatalon sa 108th floor. So, magtitik ako ng video dahil kakatakot lang.
On the path. I said on the left.
Especially if you go to Target.
She's like, come here.
Target's way down there on the street.
That's
The little tiny blue dot.
Oh my god, it's really far.
The little tiny blue dot.
It's really far. This is as close as I'll get to the window. You never
It's only 18, like,
No, it's 100 stories down.
100,
Yeah,
100,000 feet.
Okay, what's she doing? I can't.
She's crying. Oh no!
And it's a free fall, pretty flat. Watch out for the building.
It would have been the end of my life.
That makes her fall. I mean, it's pretty close.
Let's see what she looks like when she comes.
Ngayon guys, kanina may tumalo na at meron pang isa uli na tatalon. Pinapatalon ko to, takot na takot. So wala, hindi sila nag-rides ngayon. Kaya sayang yung punta namin, nakikipanood na lang kami.
Can you imagine the adrenaline?
running when you're standing on the platform?
I guess it goes your own wheel.
I'd have to be on serious drugs.
He hasn't cut it.
This cliff is what's between you and getting to the holy moly. Now she walks up, they drop her on the ground.
Okay guys, nandito kami sa kabilang side. So, dito sa kabila, makikita nyo yung downtown. Yung Fremont. Ayan, yan yung Fremont. So, doon naman sa kabila kanina, nakikita nyo yung strip. Okay, so, tingnan nyo. Medyo parang malapit tingnan, pero malayo pa yan. So, nakakalula lang dito talaga tingnan. Kung hindi ka sanay sa mataas na building, malulula ka kapag nandito ka. So, ayan, makikita yung magandang view. Ayan, kung gusto mong pumunta sa strip, doon ka pupunta. So, ayan, nandito kami sa 108. 108 kami ngayon. Nandito kami sa elevator nagantay. At kami ay bababa na. Yeah. What's the price, huh?
I don't know.
There's the price. The smallest one is Statue of Liberty. That is the lowest. So, we are in highest tower. Okay? So, yun guys. Galing na kami sa Stratosphere. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa video na yun. At ngayon naman ay untuwin na kami doon sa The Link. Dahil yun na naman ang aming second destination. At magra-rides po kami ngayon sa The Link. At sana magustuhan nyo. At sana rin nagustuhan niyo yung aking video sa Stratosphere, okay? So, thank you guys!